Alrighty, Sharp Customs. I know it's been a while. You can hear my voice. I'm a little sick. I've been sick for a week, but I still was thrashing on the Mustang. We're just gonna do a review on the Mustang. We'll just let the camera show the Mustang. We got it all back together. We did a lot of work filling holes, aligning panels, you know, getting it painted, polishing up, you know, the wheels, all the chrome, getting a brand new rug in it, getting all the interior nice and cleaned up, put back in it, making sure everything works, all the electronics, you know, make sure the top goes up and down. That's kind of a fun feature, watching the top go up and down. We got the cover on it right now. We will put it back in the garage. It's leaving tomorrow. It's hot here today in southern Ontario, so hot. It's probably the first day I've sweated the most working. Had a few other projects on the go aside of moving vehicles around, because you know, my place is small, my garage is small, we got way too many vehicles. Right behind the camera we got one of the 52s. Just uncovered it today. We had to actually move it up the driveway to get the Mustang out, because like I said, the Mustang is leaving tomorrow. It's kind of been taking on a little bit of surface rust. It has been covered with a car cover. You know, you can see the stake pockets there. Actually not that much rust. If you go look inside the truck, there is some surface rust on the fresh steel. We got the other 52 that was actually sitting on the other side of the Mustang in our driveway. I'll open the door. You can see the floors, the fresh metal. That's gonna have to be all scuffed, primed. Not a big deal. You know, my own projects are kind of get left behind. This one will get there. The inside of the bed, we get a little bit of surface stuff going on. It's not catastrophic. Look at that. Got some Mickey Thompson ET rubber, possibly to go on this truck. If I can't find some nice treaded tires. I've been looking and looking and looking. Can't really afford to buy brand new rubber for it, but if need be, we'll slap these on, man. I've always wanted to run slicks on the street anyway. So, if the camera girl wants to come my way, we got her truck. Finally, it's only been months, we finally got her truck back in the garage today. We're going to start thrashing on it. It needs some TLC. It's got some surface rust happening here and there. We're going to get that stuff cleaned up. We're going to get some epoxy primer on it, because here at Sharp Customs we're constantly taking on different projects all the time, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be, I'm going to guess in the next week I'll probably have another project. So this might have to get rolled outside, but we want to get all this stuff where we put the fillers and sealed up the top and the bottom part of the cab. We'll get this all cleaned up. We'll get it all sealed up with epoxy. That way if we do have to put it back outside, it's not going to surface rust again the way it did. I know it's been a while. It's been 2 weeks since we did a video. Tonight we are going to do a double feature, because I just wanted to give you an update on the Mustang. The Mustang itself, hourly, we got about 350 hours invested in that. The Mustang has been here for 2 months. It's time for it to basically leave and something either new to come, or maybe give us a few weeks to work on our stuff, or possibly even maybe just kind of relax for a while, you know, because we've been thrashing for months, you know, just keeping the ball rolling. But for this video, remember, share, like, subscribe. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry. We will get the content out to you. But for this video, that's your update. The Mustang will be gone tomorrow. And until our second segment tonight, I'm out. Later.